Hi everybody, I'm Tim from Chrosziel, and we're going to talk about the Zoom Servo drive unit for the Zeiss Lightweight Zoom 3 and how to control and power it. To control the unit, we have the options to go with a Sony Smart Grip, which has a length cable. The FS5 has a very short cable, and we have an extension cable for it. So you just put the extension cable in between and connect it to the unit. For camera control, we have in the box a jack cable, which you just connect between the unit and the camera. There are batteries from Switch, for example, who have a D-tap power out at the back and still being a very small battery. This way you can have a very small setup, or you use a breakout box or Anton-Bauer battery for it. As soon as we are calibrated, we have access from the zoom rocker for the zoom, but as well we have focus magnification, the menu buttons, the start-stop buttons for the camera. If you're looking for a different power cable, we have as well an angled version of the D-tap cable. There's as well a cable for the Hirose 4-pin connectors from Sony. This way you would use it for the FS7 on their power outlet on the back. So you have the Limo Connect on the one side and the Hirose 4-pin on the other side. This cable is as well available as an angled version with the angled Limo connector. The Hirose 4-pin connectors are used for the Sony batteries as well. There are batteries which have a Hirose 4-pin connector out. If you are using, for example, an ARRI Alexa, ARRI Amira or a different camera, there's a 3-pin RS Fisher connector. This one is often used in breakout boxes as well. You connect it to the breakout box and to our unit, and we can offer this one as an angled version as well. To control, if you don't have the Sony Smart Grip, you can use any kind of length zoom rocker on the market. So this one, for example, is the one from VariZoom, and what you do is you connect this one instead of the Sony Smart Grip. You still can connect the length camera in the back. So this way you have camera start-stop functionality of the camera and the zoom of our zoom drive. We have access to it, as well have camera run stop. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, please visit our website, Chrosziel.com, or have a look at our flyer. There's an accessory list for all the cables as well on there.